What's up? How you doing?
Yes, Gazi, I've been working a lot. This month, the first week of January, is today the 31st? So literally tomorrow, I'm gonna start working again.
Yeah, I know that you have been doing a lot of work last couple of the weeks, but you know, my audience is being really so crazy. The where's Winona? Oh my god, yeah, I see you. The where's Winona? I can really see through your Facebook page and YouTube channel. We want really Winona's video, and I was really so crazy to get you, but you know, I really miss you at the same time.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
I couldn't ask people, your supporters who came, I couldn't ask for more kind people. They're such kind, great people. Gazi, I was going to ask you, I've been meaning to ask you, I just wanted to get you on the phone. Remember how I would talk about Mr. Beast and Dora, which were philanthropists that I looked up to?
Yeah.
Dora passed away recently.
Yeah.
So I was thinking about making her a memorial video. You know how I like to make videos?
Yes.
So I was just going to ask that if you could just post, like, I'm going to make it, but just post it on your, which one is it? Facebook, because it could help raise awareness, because she has a village of like 500 kids that she rescued from SA and underage child marriages, and it's because it's blown up so much, it's actually ended up making a lot of money, because they used to have a GoFundMe to raise money for the kids to have food and education and whatnot. Yes, rest in peace, Dora. I just wanted to make a little memorial video for her. You know, maybe it could blow up, and then those kids could get even more awareness.
Yeah, but not bad. But you want to really rise up the awareness about that?
Yes, I just want to make a memorial video for Dora. Let's just say, because literally, I looked up to Mr. Beast, but Dora was who I looked up to the most. Yeah. Mr. Beast has done a lot of great things for philanthropy, but like, how can you compete with a woman? I mean, and then she broke her leg. I think she may have died from sepsis, but they lived in a village. She rescued all these kids. She would post videos of her teaching the kids and them doing it. It was so beautiful. But when she died, that was the first time I ever cried for a celebrity or an influencer death, and I cried 4 days.
Yeah,
and it still makes me emotional.
Yeah, for sure. But let me say something. I'm not really far away to be a philanthropist. Now, my subscriber is 34.5k subscriber from YouTube. At the same time, 147k follower from Facebook page. I am going to do this, but I will take a little bit time to get some stuff like camera and laptop also, and then I will.
I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make the video. You just post it. I'm gonna make it, but we probably won't be philanthropists for probably, honestly, 6 years or 10 years. I mean, it could happen sooner. I'm just trying to be realistic, because the type of money that we would need to be philanthropists would be a lot.
Definitely, but you know what? To be a philanthropist, you need to generate lots of dollars, lots of money. Then you can be fast save your ass. You know what I mean? Actually, you are really passing through a very hard time. I know.
Yes. I feel like I should add more. After I mixed it up, I feel like I'm gonna add more.
Yeah, what is that?
I'm seasoning some for my chicken. I'm gonna make fried chicken.
Oh, you're going to make the fried chicken. Oh my god, it's a beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. Winona, are you listening to me?
Yes, Gazi, I'm listening.
I don't know, it's maybe going to be very tough to find you in 2025.
I have to work, Gazi, until everything, and it'll be better after I get my taxes, which will be soon, but I have to work. I can't just take off work and put everything on hold to pursue social media.
Definitely, but how long you will have to work with this way?
Gazi, I have to make $1,500 every single month that goes by for us to live. So to ask me how much or how soon will social media be able to pay for that, I'm not on Bigo, sometimes I make $500, and I've been on Bigo for a year. So realistically, I can't tell you. I have a lot on my plate, but every month I have to work a lot to pay my bills. I'm a single woman. It's how it is. It will probably be years before social media is paying my bills.
To be philanthropist, you need to really do some plan for being a social media, because it's not really easy to be viral on the social media like Facebook and YouTube.
Yeah, absolutely.
So say something for my audience.
Happy New Year, you guys. I missed you so much. I've been working. I hope you all have a wonderful New Year.
Thank you.
But Gazi, I'm gonna let you go because my phone's dying and I'm about to fry some chicken. So I'll be back.
Okay, for sure. Thank you so much.